Good afternoon guys. Hapon na and ngayon pa lang mag-start ng pagba-vlog. What time is it, Kuya?
5:30.
5:30 na.
Ready, set, go.
Oh, ready, get set?
Go.
1, 2?
3.
Nakalimutan ko. Where's my shades, Kuya?
Yes.
Where is it? It's over there. Wait.
Come on.
You don't need yours, huh? Nakasilaw ang araw. Ang taas pa ng araw, guys, kahit 5:30 na. Paalis kami kasi punta kami ng Mount para pick upin yung pizza. And ngayon pala ako mag-start ulit mag-vlog since nung pagdating namin dito galing Adelaide. Ay, masara ng shed. Uy. Ngayon pa lang ulit kasi nagpahinga talaga ako kasi alam niyo naman ang nangyari sa ating party. Grabe yung hangover ko, grabe. Ang sakit ng katawang ko. Kasi siguro alam niyo naman na nanigas tayo nung gabing yun. Kasi sobrang as in, grabe yung sambuka, yung ininom namin na sambuka. Yun, ang feeling ko yun talaga ang nakapagpatumba sa akin. Doors open, Kuya. Whose door is that? Not mine. How about you, Kuya? Yours. Okay. May bukas na
Is that a dog?
pinto. Oops. Tumabingi kayo.
Is that a white dog?
No, we don't have a dog. That's Tommy's dog. Yes, you
She's
know.
scared of the white one.
Si Jan bukas aalis Friday. Kasi nga 'di ba yung regalo ko sa kanya is yung manunood siya ng President's Cup sa Melbourne na nandun si Tiger Woods. So, manunood si Jan tsaka yung mga kaibigan niya. Bukas ang alis nila. Kanina naglinis
Going for Team USA.
Australia. Team Australia, of course, but he likes Tiger Woods. Kasi yung magko-compete is Team Australia then Team America. Si Tiger Woods, America. Pero si Jan, kay Tiger Woods siya. Pero ang, syempre, supporter niya pa rin, Australia. Yes? Ano?
You're wearing the thong.
You're wearing it, Baba. Hinahanap yung chinelas niya. Suot niya naman. So yun guys, tingnan ko kung bukas makakapag-vlog ako kasi alis si Jan bukas, siguro i-vlog ko rin si Jan. And kanina may tumawag ako kanina sa may tinawagan ako kanina para to make sure na nasa store nila pero walay, kaya sasabihin ko yun bukas or mamaya kay Jan kasi dapat pipick upin ni Jan yun sa Melbourne. Kasi yun sana ang regalo niya sa akin sa itong Christmas at sa pag-reach ko ng 200,000. Kasi tinanong niya kung anong gusto ko and yun ang sinabi ko, pero it's sad to say wala. So hindi niya pa alam pero alam niya pipick upin niya kasi akala niya available lang lagi. Pero mamaya or bukas ko sasabihin sa kanya. Grabe talaga ang demand ng mga yun. Paraw siya nawala. Since pa daw 4 months pa daw out of stock na yung product na yon. Dalawa yun pareho daw 4 months na wala around Australia online and kahit sa store wala raw. So yun guys, so mamaya sabihin natin kay Johnny Boy or bukas kasi prepare na talaga siya, as in ready na talaga siyang pick upin yun sa Melbourne, sa store mismo talaga. Ang saya sana nung kasi first time niyang gagawin, pupunta siya sa store para pick upin ang kanyang regalo para sa akin, pero wala. So mamaya na lang guys. Did you say hi people, kids, to the people?
Hi.
Huh? Holly, did you say hi? Baba! Is she sleep already? Pretending. Mamaya na lang guys. Kasi isip, focus tayo dito sa ating pagdala. Wala namang masyadong sasakyan dito sa amin kasi ano to, countryside. But of course, we have to focus. Dito na kami guys, pero wala pa kami doon sa mismo sa kung saan namin pipick upin yung pizza. Dito kami sa my Aldi. Kasi bagong bukas siya. Did you? Bagong bukas siya, kahapon lang siya nagbukas dito sa Mount. So maraming tao and yan, nahirapan ako mag-park. Pero ay, eto na, nakapark na tayo. Kaso ginigising lang si Kuya kasi tulog pa si Kuya. Tingnan natin kung anong meron dito sa Aldi. Come on, Kuya. Who? Who? Saan? Kuya tulog. Open niya lang kahapon. Hurry up, Kuya. Tulog na tulog siya. Come on, hurry up, Baba. Come on. Ayan, kabubukas niya lang talaga. Now open, Aldi. Ayan. Come on. Malamig guys, kaya naka-cardigans ako. Pero yung mga boys, ayaw naman nila mag-jacket. Si Holly naka-ano. Naka-ano siya, long sleeves. Long sleeves. Tingin lang muna tayo kung anong meron sila dito, guys. Wala kaming card. Later na, Kuya. Tingin-tingin lang muna tayo. Ayan, mga fruits and vegetables dito. And then, doon din, fruits and vegetables. Yes? Come on, Baba. Wala to sa plano. Napupunta kami ng Aldi. Dapat pipick upin lang namin yung pizza. Ano, malamig. Nasa ano tayo kami dito sa malamig area. Malamig area dito pa sa may mga cheese. Oh, look at Teddy, Baba. Oh, different Teddy. So maybe I'll get your snacks here. Not now. We're just checking, Baba. Ay, may mga bago tayong titikman ng mga chocolates. Ay, eto oh. Parang gusto ko nang kumuha. Ay, kuha tayo. Try natin. From Germany. Oh. Hold this, Kuya. Chocolate. Ano pa ba? Magkano ba? 269? 269? Ang mura niya, ha? Mura siya. Let her hold it, Kuya, please. Okay, here, Holly, hold this for Mommy. This one. Ay, she likes purple. Holly? Ayan, ang dami pa guys na iba-ibang flavor ng chocolates. Oh. Ayan, ang dami pa nilang chocolates. Parang gusto ko itong itry. Itong mint from Switzerland. Masarap ang mga chocolates sa ano eh. Switzerland. Nakatikim na ako na chocolate na galing Switzerland. Masarap sila. Tikman natin to. We try this one, Baba. Hold this. Thank you. Yan o, ang daming marami silang itatry na mga snacks. Kasi sawa na sila sa mga binabaon nila na binibili ko sa Coast. Fruit rolls. Baba, come on, Baba. And ang mga chips nila, meron din silang iba-ibang mga chips. Ano to? Sprinters original. Okay, I want pink. Come on. Not now, Kuya. We're just checking. Wow. Yes. May mga toys din, oh. Look at this. Tracer. Artograph. Tintong coconut water. Kuya, ah. Thank you. Try lang muna natin. Sabi ni Zach, ano daw yung may tutulong niyo? Wala pa naman, Zach. We'll see. Wala yung pizza natin doon. Doritos. Meron din naman ito sa Coles. Ang gusto ko is yung ano, may walnuts. Nuts.
Oh, really? I didn't eat
Yeah.
them. You have to crack them open.
That's right. That's right.
I like that.
Mga biscuits. Look at this, Kuya. Gingerbread.
Let's get it.
It's already made, Kuya. We need to get one for you to make. Huh? Meron din silang pa-floba base. Oh. What's that? The same, Kuya. You're not gonna be able to decorate that one.
You can decorate. You just have to get the icing. What if I did?
No. I know it's pretty. Is that Elsa? Frozen. Come on. Gusto raw bilhin to ni Holly. $4.99. Ito si Elsa. Oh, baba. Pangsabit sa Christmas tree. Come on, baba. Spiced apple. Oh, ano ka to? Macarons. Marunong akong gumawa ng macarons. Pero eto, gusto ko siyang itry. $2.49. Macarons. Ha? Ito, white chocolate and raspberry macarons. Ito, spiced apple macarons. Ano kayang masarap, no? Kuya, do you wanna try this? Macarons?
What are they? I like crunchy.
I-try natin yung apple muna. Okay, Sak. Ito na yung maitutulong mo sa akin. What's that, kuya? Magsasara na raw sila. Come on. Yeah, magsasara na sila, guys. Ang aga naman nila magsara. May washing machine. Oh, di ba? May appliances din sila. Yeah. Ito din sila, oh. May microphone. Ayan kay Holly, oh. May mga bags.
Mom, look at this photo.
Ha? Marami siyang nakikita. Oh, wow! Very girly. Come on. So, meron silang area dito. Kahit bumili ka ng plastic bag, ikaw pa rin ang maglalagay sa shopping bag. So, meron silang dito, yung parang bench para ikaw maglagay ng mga binili mo. Ayan sila, kuya. Okay. Sila raw ang gagawa. Sut yung peach dito. Oh, buti na lang meron akong plastic na kinuha. No, Baba. You're right, Zach. Put it there, Baba. Put it there. Hurry. Hold it. You don't eat it because it's not washed yet. Okay. Okay. We can leave that one here. Come on. May basurahan naman pala. It's alright. She can hold that one. So, ito yung napamili natin dito sa Aldi. It's not gonna fit, kuya. Just carry it, kuya. Hurry up. Okay, hold your sister. Come on. Okay. Okay, come on, Holly. I'll hold you daw, sabi ni kuya. Thanks, kuya. Come on. Is it heavy? Ito yung first shopping natin dito sa Aldi. Wala naman sa plano to eh, pero meron tayong itatry na mga bagong
We're right near wherever.
chocolate saka snacks. Ha?
It's Paradise Pizza.
Yeah, let's go to Paradise Pizza. Ala, yung pizza natin malamig na yun.
We're right near.
Yeah, it's not far. Yan, tapos na tayo dito sa Aldi. Punta na tayo sa Paradise Pizza. Ready, get set? 1, 2, 3.
4, I mean.
Diba, nakapag tayo?
Mom?
Shopping tayo dito sa Aldi na hindi oras. Clear?
Yeah.
Saan bang exit dito?
Let's see.
Bago pa lang tayo dito. Oh, my car.
Spotless.
Malaki pa naman siya. Back up tayo.
How do we go that way?
Wait.
Mom, we can...
Saan bang labas nito? Ayan, may papasok na naman na isa. Wait, Sak, don't talk to me first. Because I have to watch. Kasi yung mga sasakyan pa ganun. I know. So, okay. Clear.
Yes.
Drive. Let's go.
Mom, should make a wider park. They should make wide.
I know, ang liit kasi ng nila, na. Tingnan nyo, ha? Tingnan nyo. O, diba?
It is
Siksikan.
wide, not that one. Mom, where's my scissors?
Where's your sleeper? Why are you
It's on
asking
the floor,
me?
remember?
Saan bang labas? Ipalo lang natin yung mga
she took them out.
Dito siguro, no? Dito siguro. Hindi pa natin alam. Pero nakapasok tayo. Okay, clear. May nagpa-park. Wait lang. Sana makalabas tayong buhay. Joke. Makalabas naman tayong buhay dito, guys. Maano lang, makitid lang yung mga parking nila. So, ayan. Eto na. Labas na tayo. Do you know which way to go to Paradise Pizza, Kuya?
No. But I know it's around somewhere here.
Yeah, I know it's around here as well.
Then I can go back to sleep.
Ayaw sana sumama ni Kuya, kaso hindi pwede silang iiwan sa car, kaya ginising ko
Let me
siya.
tell you something first.
Sabi niya, matutulog daw siya. Yeah.
We're right near McDonald's.
Yeah, over there, Kuya.
McDonald's.
Before roundabout. Near Auntie Mel. Kasi first time kung akong kukuha, si Jan kasi talaga kumukuha ng pizza kung nag-order kami dito. Yung Domino's, alam ko naman doon.
I think that Cody's Amrock somewhere around here.
Yeah, see that one.
Down here. He got it.
Is it that one? Paradise Pizza? Look, Kuya. Yes, here. Ayan, guys.
Oh yeah, I know where.
Ayan.
I know this shop.
I told you.
I know it.
Paradise Pizza. Dito na tayo. Kita nyo, guys.
Is it
Ayan.
that one or that one?
Dito na tayo. Sabi nito, ba't ang tagal nyo? 15 minutes sabi niya
Is
eh.
it that one? I come
Yup. Nangunguna ang bata. Hoy, no, here, Baba, come here. Mali yung, stop only. Here, Baba. Mali yung pinasukan natin. Sabi ko, bakit hawak niya yung mga box? Go. Ikaw talaga, Baba. Dapat nakalak naman yun. Push, Baba. See, here. Meron din sila ditong dessert na pizza. Ayan, guys, oh. Mega Choco, Caramelo, and Chocoholic. Diba? Pizza na dessert. Pa tayo ng Coke. No, this is for Daddy Baba. Classic one. Ito na lang. Close. I need you to carry this for Mama. Thank you. Ayan, meron tayong tatlong pizza. Bahay na kami, guys. And wala pa si Jan. Umalis din kasi si Jan. Pumunta siya sa siguro mga 1 hour away from our house. Bumili siya ng pots. Yung kung saan pumapasok yung yung lobster kasi merong nawala. Hindi nawala. Normal naman yun na nawawala sila sa tubig. Yung parang napuputol yung tali. Parang ganun. Hindi ko rin alam. Pero bumili siya para pampalit doon sa mga nawala. And eto yung pizza na in-order namin. Pakita ko sa inyo muna. So, eto yung, ano ba to? Eto yung meat lovers. And, mali yung na-order ko. Dapat pala yung size niya, dapat large. Regular lang to. Wait lang, Sak. Eto kay Johnny Boy.
Why did you get the big one?
I know. I didn't know, Sak. And eto naman is ham and cheese. Regular din to. Ang large lang na na-order ko ay
Prawns.
eto yung large. Eto ang itsura ng large. Ayan, oh, malaki. Prawns. Ayan.
Wow,
Wait, Baba. Wash your hands, Baba. Did you wash your hands?
Lots of prawns on there.
Yes. And eto yung difference ng
What's this stuff?
that's garlic cream, I think. So, ayan yung regular. Eto yung regular and eto yung large. And tingnan nyo si Sak. What happened to you, Sak? What happened to your nose?
A pot fell on me.
A what?
Pot.
Pot.
A float.
A float.
Yeah.
Float from what? From your friend's house?
Yeah.
Pumunta kasi siya, nagbike siya, and then pumunta sila sa bahay ng friend niya. And yun ang nangyari sa kanya. Naglalaro raw sila, and then yung float, yung parang bola. Ayun. Hoy, Holly! And ito yung garlic bread. Ang sarap ng garlic bread dun. Kita natin yung garlic bread. Gutom na yung mga tao.
No, You can't look.
And eto yung dessert namin mamaya. Donuts.
Wait, so
Apat
that's
lang
the
to.
special dessert.
Yes. Okay, pakainin ko muna tong mga...
Stick.
Come on. Dig in. Oy, put the placemat there, please. Placemat. Placemat. Here. Si Sak hindi na makapaghintay. Okay, here. Put your pizza here. Okay.
Wait,
Oh.
do we need this?
Yes, okay. Eat. Kain muna kami, guys. Dito na si Jan.
Pizza and donuts with jam. Donuts.
How did you go, Han? Did you get all? How many? Oh, I did 7. 20 pieces.
Yeah.
Where is it? Dad shed?
Yeah.
Hey, honey.
Oh, yeah.
I rang the Louis Vuitton. It's been 4 months out of stock. So they said I have to ring end of January. Hon.
Okay, yeah. Okay, we'll have to do it then. Alright.
Honey, your pizza's over
I
there.
was going to say, what's that one like?
It's alright, but too much onions. Ito hindi masyadong masarap.
Sounds like
Pero yung si Kuya, tingnan nyo, oh. Yan na lang yung natira. Yung kay Jan, andoon, no.
Oh, he just barbecue.
You can have one. Kuya, oh my God, ang dami mo na nakain. Parang isang box nasa yun na.
And pause.
Yan si Jan. And yung garlic bread, ayan, muntik nang maubos. Tinaran lang nila si Daddy. Basta, Kuya?
Small place.
Small?
No, no.
That one.
Oh!
Yeah, Han.
Oh, you just have to wait, man.
Ano?
You just have to wait.
I have to wait. So, yeah. Ipakita ko sa inyo yung bag na gusto kong ipabili sa kanya.
No thanks, darling.
Is
Yeah, I'll have some in a minute.
this is mine.
That's mine! Kinuha mo yung aking ano. So, maglagay na lang ako ng picture kasi dalawa yung pinagpipilian ko. Yung isa, at saka yung isa pa. Pero pareho sila wala sa store and then online. Kasi nung tumawag ako, ang tinawagan ko is yung sa sa Collins Street sa Melbourne. Kasi may 3 shop sa Melbourne. Meron sa Collins Street, meron sa Chadstone, right, ha?
Yeah.
Yeah. And meron din sa
That's mine.
ano ba yun? Crown Melbourne Towers, mayroon din sila. So, ang natawagan ko is yung Collins Street. And, kasi napuntahan ko na rin yun. And yung Chadstone, napuntahan ko na rin namin yun ni Jan dati. Pero yung tinawagan ko nga, Collins Street, kasi doon malapit kung saan pupunta si Jan eh. Kasi di ba manunod sila ng, manunod silang golf. So, sabi niya, pag available doon, pipick upin niya na lang. So, yun nga, tumawag ako. Sabi nung nakausap ko, 4 months na raw out of stock all over Australia. Wala raw sa shop and then wala rin daw online. So, yun nga, sabi sa akin, tumawag na lang daw ako sa, tumawag na lang ako end of January to February kasi magre-restock daw sila. Tapos nagtanong ako kung pwede ako magpa sa waiting list kasi dati ginagawa nila yun. Sabi ngayon, tinanggal na raw nila yun dahil nga daw sa high demand ng yung dalawang bag na yun. So inalis na raw nila. So kung sino na lang daw yung makakabili pag available online during January to February, and kung sino ang unang tatawag na may available, dun daw ipapareserve and then ilalagay yung name. So, sabi ko sa kanya, sabi niya, tawag daw ako end of January. Sabi ko, huwag kang mag-alala. I will call you first week of January. Tapos natawa nga siya. So, yun. So, tingnan natin kung makakuha tayo sa January. Sana makakuha tayo. So, yun guys. Si Jan, ayan po tayo. Right hand, January. Call namin yung nabili namin sa Aldi. Ito yung gusto nilang itry itong salted popcorn na
I don't have to cook them, you just eat them.
yeah, just eat, honey. Akala kasi ni
They're
Jan.
the better ones.
Luluto, hindi. It's ready to eat. Ayan, popcorn. Ilang pieces ba ba? 10 pieces. And ito yung isa, Blackstone na deli style. Lamb and mint ang flavor niya. So, hindi ko pa ito na-try. Have you tried this, ha? Do we have this here? The brand?
Oh, look, Australian bread.
It looks Australian. Australian kasi may may flag ng Australia. Wait ka ba?
Crystals.
How?
And itong parang yung sa atin, Halos.
Hot water
Halos.
and color food.
Chocolate coated biscuit. Parang yung sa atin, ano ba yun? Yung merong marshmallow. Yes?
Never take this out. It's to grow crystals.
Okay. Para siyang
You
Mars.
can see some.
What's this?
I made it. Crystals.
May crystals daw, guys. Oh, ayan, meron nga, oh. Sa school niya galing. Ayan, oh. And what's this one underneath?
Oh, they're
Stone?
just rocks.
Oh, stone. Okay. So,
I had
ayan.
one till I
Made in Spain,
I thought
honey.
you just got yours.
Kuya, you're too loud. Made in Spain. So, i-try natin. And, eto yung Mercy. Ayan. Meron siyang coffee and cream, hazelnut almond, hazelnut cream, dark chocolate cream, and dark mousse. So, meron siyang, ang dami niya ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bob, be careful.
Is this wash?
Yeah, 8 pieces na ganyan ang itsura niya. Ayan, pinaglalabas na ni Holly. And meron pang isa na Mercy din. Ito ay milk chocolate, hazelnut almond, hazelnut cream. Anong pagkakaiba nila? Parang meron din naman. May red and blue kasi. Kaya sabi ko, tingnan natin. From where to? Baba? From? Come on, Baba. Tingnan. From Germany. Made in Germany, han. So, dalawa nito. And ito yung fruit and nut na ewan ko paano yung basahin, guys. Ayan, oh. From Germany din to. Made in Germany. Ayan. And ito nga, yung macaron. Have you tried macaron, son? It's coconut, honey. No artificial colors or flavors. Ayan, apple. From where? Baka ito sa... Wala naman nakalagay. Made in Australia. And, eto, bumila ko ng coconut water. Wala lang. I-try ko lang. From Australia na siguro to. Hindi ko alam kung from where. Basta 1 litro siya, guys. From Australia. Aldi.com, Australia. And, what else we have there, Holly? Meron tayong peach. Ito yung nahulog. Na ano yung lalagyan niya. And last na chocolate is mountain bar na ito yung from Switzerland. Oh, may almonds siya, guys. Ayan, oh. Ayan. So, yan na yung ating vlog for today. Let's close the vlog, Baba. Okay, guys. Thank you. Please like. Go, Baba. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next.
Cooking.
This is not cooking, Baba. Next. Come on. Next vlog. Bye, guys. Good night. So, itatry natin to. Okay. Put it back, Baba. Yan, ipatry natin. Try this one. This is the... Yeah. Try.
Good.
Try. It's good.
Try.
Good? Huh? It's good, right? Si Sak, nakakarami na yan. Kanina pa. Oh, yeah. So, masarap. Right, Han? You like it? Honey? You like it?
No.
Gusto niyo naman.